Welcome to a new video of Masters Academy. CET 2020 Mathematics topic Limits and Continuity Problems prepared by N. Parmesh. First problem, limit extends to 0, x e to the power x minus sin x divided by x is equal to 4 options are given. Solution, limit extends to 0, x e to the power x minus sin x divided by x is equal to, limit extends to 0, x get cancelled, e to the power x minus sin x by x is equal to, applying the limit, e to the power 0 is 1 minus sin x by x, limit extends to 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 0, that is there in option fourth one. Second question, limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos x divided by x square is, 4 options are given. Solution, limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos x divided by x square is equal to, limit extends to 0, differentiate with respect to x, derivative of minus cos x is sin x divided by derivative of x square is 2x is equal to 1 by 2 as common, limit extends to 0, sin x by x is 1, 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2, that is there in option third one. Third question, f of x is equal to 3x minus 8 if x less than or equal to 5, 2k if x greater than 5 is continuous, find k. 4 options are given. Solution, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f of 5, 2k is equal to f of 5 is 3 5 is 15 minus 8, 2k is equal to 7, therefore k is equal to 7 by 2, that is their option fourth one. Fourth question, the function f of x is equal to greatest integer x, where greatest integer x denotes the greatest integer function is continuous at, 4 options are given. Solution, greatest integer x is continuous at every non-integral values of x, that is equal to 1.5, that is there in option fourth one. Fifth question, if the function f of x satisfy limit extends to 1, f of x minus 2 divided by x square minus 1 is equal to pi, comma, then limit extends to 1, f of x is equal to, 4 options are given. Solution, limit extends to 1 of x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Limit extends to 1, f of x minus 2 must be 0 because otherwise limit becomes unbounded. Therefore, limit extends to 1, f of x is equal to 2, that is there in option second one. Sixth question, if f of x is equal to 3 sin pi x divided by 5x if x not equal to 0, 2k if x is equal to 0 is continuous at x is equal to 0, then the value of k is, 4 options are given. Solution, limit extends to 0, 3 sin pi x divided by 5x is equal to 2k, 3 by 5 as common, multiply and divide by pi, limit extends to 0, sin pi x divided by x pi is equal to 2k, 3 pi by 5 into 1 is equal to 2k, therefore k is equal to 3 pi by 10, that is there in option second one. Seventh question, summation r is equal to 1 to n, 2r minus 1 is equal to x, then limit n tends to infinity, 1 cube divided by x square plus 2 cube by x square plus 3 cube by x square plus so on plus n cube by x square is equal to, 4 options are given. Solution, x is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on plus 2n minus 1, x is equal to n square, squaring on both sides, x square is equal to n to the power 4, limit n tends to infinity, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus so on plus n cube divided by x square, limit n tends to infinity, n square into n plus 1 the whole square by 4 divided by n to the power 4 is equal to, limit n tends to infinity, n square in the bracket taking n square as common, 1 plus 1 by n the whole square divided by 4 n to the power 4. Therefore, limit n tends to infinity, n to the power 4, n to the power 4 get cancelled, 1 plus 1 by n whole rise to the power 2 divided by 4, that is equal to 1 divided by 4, that is there in option first one. Eighth question, limit extends to 0, log cos x to the base cos x by 2 is equal to, 4 options are given. Solution, log a to the base b is equal to log a by log b, limit extends to 0, log x divided by log x by 2 is equal to, limit extends to 0, derivative of log cos x is 1 by cos x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, that is equal to minus tan x, divided by derivative of log cos x by 2 is 1 divided by cos x by 2. Derivative of cos x by 2 is minus sin x by 2. Derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2, that is minus tan x by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to limit x tends to 0, tan x multiply and divide by x, tan x by x divided by tan x by 2 multiply and divide by x by 2 into 1 by 2. After applying the limit, this value reduces to 1, this value reduces to 1, x and x get cancelled. 2 2s are 4 shifted to numerator, that is equal to 4, that is there in option 4th one. 9th one, the value of theta, limit theta tends to 0, 1 minus cos 4 theta divided by 1 minus cos 6 theta is, 4 options are given, solution. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos mx divided by 1 minus cos nx is equal to m square by n square is equal to 4 square by 6 square, that is equal to 4 into 4 divided by 6 into 6, 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 4 by 9, that is there in option 3rd one. 10th question, if f of x is equal to kx square if x less than or equal to 2, 3 if x greater than 2 is continuous at x is equal to 2, then the value of k is, 4 options are given, solution. Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f of 2. 3 is equal to 2 square is 4k, therefore k is equal to 3 by 4, that is there in option first one. 11th question, the value of limit x tends to 0 mod x by x is, 4 options are given, solution. Limit x tends to 0 plus mod x divided by x is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus x by x is equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0 minus mod x by x is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus x by x is equal to minus 1. Therefore left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, does not exist. Therefore option 4th one is the answer. 12th question, if f of x is equal to log x to the base e divided by x minus 1, if x not equal to 1, k if x is equal to 1 is continuous at x is equal to 1, then the value of k is, 4 options are given, solution. Limit x tends to 1 log x to base e divided by x minus 1 is equal to k. Limit x tends to 1, differentiate log x with respect to x 1 by x divided by derivative of x is 1 is equal to k. After applying the limit, put x is equal to 1, this reduces to 1, 1 is equal to k, therefore k is equal to 1, that is there in option second one. Dear friends, if you find this video useful, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.